In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage design projects in Monday.com. We'll set up a clean, reusable system using Monday.com's templates so your design work stays organized from kickoff to delivery. Start by opening Monday.com and heading to the homepage. From here, decide where this project should live by choosing your workspace. Workspaces keep teams and clients separated, so pick the one your design team uses or the client-specific space if you keep projects segmented that way. Next, look for the plus icon to add something new. Click it, and when the options appear, hover over Board. A board is the backbone of your project. It holds tasks, owners, timelines, and all the details your team needs. Instead of building from scratch, choose Start with Template. Templates save time and already include smart columns for planning and tracking. This opens the Template Center. You can browse all templates or narrow it down under General Templates if you want a broader selection beyond specific use cases. If you already know what you're looking for, use the search bar to quickly find a match. Typing terms like project management or design works well. From the categories, click Project Management. This section contains ready-made structures that fit creative workflows. Find a project template that suits your needs, then click to open its preview. Take a moment to scan the description and example layout. Look for columns like status, owner, priority, timeline, and files, which are essential for design tasks. When you're ready, click Use Template. You can confirm the workspace, adjust the board name to match your project, and choose whether to include sample items for inspiration. Once the board is created, make your edits. Rename groups to reflect your process, such as backlog, in progress, review, and delivered. Update statuses to mirror your design stages. Assign owners, set due dates, and attach briefs, brand assets, or design files directly to each item. If you plan sprints or milestones, use timeline or date columns to map those out. Keep column names short and clear so your team can scan the board at a glance. Finally, open the project dashboard view. This gives you a high-level overview of progress and helps you spot bottlenecks early. Dashboards can track workload, timelines, and status distribution, making stand-ups and stakeholder updates far easier. Use this view to keep an eye on what's blocked, who's overloaded, and what's coming next. And that's it. You've navigated to Monday.com, chosen the right workspace, created a board from a project management template, customized it for design, and opened the project dashboard for real-time insights. Save your changes as you go. Monday.com auto-saves, and you're ready to manage your design projects with clarity and confidence.